Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't been around for a little while. It's been a month of massive things going on. I've run my retreat and I've just finished my yearly exhibition here in my town in Spain. I'm just outside Malaga and we have a wonderful art weekend. And I've had a fabulous exhibition and sold a couple of paintings, which is fantastic. So I wanted to share something with you because whilst I was at the exhibition, a young guy came in. His name is Robert Marks, and he asked me if I would like to do an interview with him about women who are artists. So of course, I jumped at the chance of doing this. So this is what I want to share with you. I hope what I have to say will resonate with you because I'm very passionate about my painting and I love to share it. So I'll put it on for you now and then I'll come back to you shortly. I'm Joy Fay and I've been an artist for a very, very long time. And I live here in Spain, just outside Malaga, and I paint professionally, but I also teach online courses and run art retreats. So everything to do with art, creativity, intuitive painting, really.
And what kind of art style do you normally stick to?
Well, you would describe it really as abstract art. I used to do a lot of representational art, but I graduated into doing abstract art about 20 years ago. And that really comes from intuitively painting, being creative and allowing things to unfold and develop without having a specific idea about what you want to do. And it's really exploring what's going on inside you in your conscious or unconscious mind.
Yeah. And as a female artist, do you think it's harder to advertise yourself? And
no, I don't any longer. I think it's equal. You know, I do a lot of YouTube videos, and I would say that probably for the tutorials in art on YouTube, I would say it's a majority women. And when I look at the people who are watching my videos, again, it's the majority is women. It's probably 80% women and 20% men. Oh, so, yeah. All power to us.
And how would you define an artist as successful?
Oh, that's an interesting question. Well, you can have a look at it in different ways. Are they selling? Some artists might feel that is success if they're selling a lot of paintings. Others may be that they're getting the satisfaction and the joy and the happiness from painting. You know, it's a moving target. I can't answer that. I say for myself, I feel successful when I've been working on a project and it comes together and there's the right connection with my work to how I feel. Obviously, it's a great bonus if somebody gets that feeling too and buys it.
Yeah.
That's kind of the icing on the cake. But my feeling of success is when I've actually expressed what I really feel and it's come together in a painting.
And so you do a lot of YouTube stuff, right?
Yes.
Would you say that's how you advertise yourself mainly?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I do a lot of online courses and I run retreats and workshops, which is lovely because, you know, then obviously doing the online, you don't actually get to meet people. So when I'm doing the retreats and the workshops, you're actually working with people, and that's really nice. And I love the dynamics of the group and the feedback and the energy that's created. So I really enjoy that, but I just enjoy teaching and sharing, you know. Helping people really to find their own expression in their painting. It's interesting because I think a lot of people, and a lot of the people that I work with and who are my students, they tend to be an older group, probably 50 plus. Some people retiring, wanting to find something that's new and a new purpose in their life. They've finished working and they want something to focus on. And painting is the most, or art, I should say, is such a wonderful thing to then explore, and it gives them a reason and a new way to express themselves.
Yeah.
And that gives me a lot of pleasure. That to me is success.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank
That's
you.
everything.
Very nice to talk to you. Thank you. Well, there we go. It was a really fun interview. And what do you think? Have you got any questions for me? I would love to hear your thoughts about, where you are up to with your painting. What started you painting? And has it given you a new lease of life and a new purpose? So do write in the comments. I'd love to read them. So as I mentioned in the video, I do a lot of online courses, and I also have a free course on abstract painting to get you started, get the juices flowing. And if you would like to do this, I'm sure you'd enjoy it. It'll give you lots of confidence and ideas to get started on your painting. And if you already do paint, give you extra ideas. So all the information on the free course is in the description below. And if you like this video and you'd like to see more, I do a lot of tutorials and to help you with your painting. So do press the like button and the subscribe button and notifications if you want to know when my next video is coming out. It's so wonderful to share art. I mean, how wonderful that you can just be at home and play and have fun doing your painting. So I'm sure you're going to enjoy some of the classes that I do, and extend your possibilities with your creativity. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And until then, happy painting, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.